Hey, travel advisors, I have some big news from Classic Vacations. All your booking statements and client itineraries are moving online and fully mobile. Keep watching this short tutorial to see how you can use these features for yourself and for your clients. Let's start with a booking confirmation email. It doesn't matter if you made a reservation in the call center or on the website, you'll now receive a booking confirmation that looks something like this. There'll be some links at the top. And right away, you'll notice there's something missing, attachments. No more Word document or attached PDF is needed because all the booking details are shown right here in the body of the email. When you receive an email booking confirmation, you can review all the details here, or you can get an even better look by clicking on the link to the My Bookings page, where you can review all the trip details and even make a payment. If you're not already signed into our website, you'll be prompted to log in before visiting the booking details page. Here you get a clear view of everything that's included in this booking: traveler names, payment details, trip protection, and more. You can even use the payment feature to apply payment directly to this booking or send a payment link to your client. And when you're ready, you can preview this itinerary to see how it will look when your client views it. As you can see, it's got your private label logo, profile photo, and contact information. The great thing about the online itinerary is your client will be able to view all the photos associated with the hotels in their itinerary. And if your clients are viewing their travel itinerary on a phone, even better. They can quickly scroll through all the images and travel details. After you've reviewed the booking, return to the booking details page to send it to your client. Click the Send to Client button, where you'll be asked to enter your client's email address. You can check the box to CC yourself and then send the email. For this demo, I've sent the client email straight to myself. So let's take a look. This is a copy of an email that would go to your client. It tells them the booking number, includes a link for them to view their itinerary on their computer or their mobile device. It's important to note that your client does not need to sign in or create an account to click through and view their itinerary details. They can see the trip protection, the travel advisory, but the most important is the payment. When you share a client itinerary, your clients can see all the payment details, including balance due, and click through to make a payment. They simply need to enter the email address that you used when you shared the itinerary with them. This feature offers credit card security for you and your client. Once your clients are directly applying payment to their own booking, you will no longer need to manage credit card numbers or wait on hold to make a payment. I'd also like to point out that you don't need to worry about keeping track of booking statement emails. You can return to the My Bookings page at any time, sort through your bookings by status, pending, or invoiced, review your bookings, and even cancel an option if you'd like to. To convert this option to an invoice booking, choose the Apply Payment, make the minimum payment, and the booking will instantly move to the invoiced section of the My Bookings page. There's one last thing I'd like to show you. For those of you who don't use our website, or perhaps you have clients who aren't comfortable clicking through to a link or a website they're unfamiliar with, you can still forward the booking confirmation emails just like you do now. Because this is the travel advisor version of the statement, you'll need to remove all the agent details, including the commission, before you forward it on to your client. They'll still be able to review all the trip details in the body of the email. I hope you're excited about our new online itineraries, and I'm sure you're going to have lots of questions. Feel free to reach out to your SAM or write to us at assist@classicvacations.com. Thanks for watching.